We have cutting edge technology. So why are so many people still in pain? I'm Dr. Jason Hahn, author, 7-time U.S. national team member, and sports clinical specialist. For over 2 decades, I've wrestled with that exact question. If you've ever walked out of a doctor's office with more questions than answers, if you've tried all the scans, all the meds, all the advice, yet still feel unheard, dismissed, or stuck, you are not alone. And it's not your fault. There's a silent crisis in healthcare. It doesn't show up on x rays or lab results, but you feel it every time someone rushes you through your story, misses what matters, or says everything looks fine when your body screams otherwise. The stats back it up. More than 50% of patients leave primary care visits unclear about their own plan. The average face to face time? Under 10 minutes. No wonder chronic pain and medical anxiety keep rising. This crisis is about disconnection, providers who don't truly listen, patients reduced to numbers on a spreadsheet, and advanced treatments that mean little if the person in front of us isn't understood. And here's the interesting thing: when listening disappears, so does healing. Let me show you what listening can change. A few years ago, I met JoJo, a 16-year-old softball standout whose hip hurt so badly she could barely walk, much less play the game she loved. Multiple doctors, endless opinions, clean MRIs, and temporary meds. Nothing worked. Softball was her identity. Sitting on the bench felt like losing herself. When JoJo and her mom arrived at my clinic, the worry was written on both their faces. Instead of jumping into exercises, I spent the first session doing one thing: listening. I asked JoJo to tell the entire story: how the pain started, what she tried, what scared her the most. Her eyes welled up, describing teammates celebrating without her and the recruiters drifting away. As I listened, the patterns started to emerge: an old ankle sprain, postural habits, compensations all the way up the chain. Her hip wasn't the lone culprit, it was the loudest victim. Together, we set tiny milestones: activating sleepy muscles, pain free squats, light swings in the batting cage. Week by week, the spark returned. The day she sprinted the bases without pain, her tears were pure relief. Months later, JoJo not only rejoined her team, she earned a college scholarship. Yes, targeted treatment mattered, but the true breakthrough was listening deeply enough to see the entire athlete, not just a sore joint. So, what's the missing ingredient in modern care? It's not another pill, it's not a fancier MRI, it's the art of listening. True healing starts when people feel seen. Someone notices the wince they tried to hide. Felt. Someone gauges the tension in your muscles. Understood. Someone connects your fears, habits, and history into one coherent plan. That's why I wrote The Martial Arts of Listening, to teach a 5-pillar method anyone can use. Ears: you tune in to tone and rhythm. Eyes: you read body language. Hands: you feel tissue and tension. Brain: you connect all of the patterns and the context. Your heart: you lead with empathy. Whether you're a clinician, a coach, a parent, or simply someone tired of feeling stuck, these skills change everything. To make it easy, I created the Listening Blueprint, a free companion to the book. Inside, you'll find a quick self assessment that pinpoints where communication breaks down, a do it yourself wellness action plan you can bring to your next appointment, practical exercises to move from coping to true lasting healing. Download it now at drjasonhan.com/listen, because the sooner we all start listening better, the sooner we all start healing better. No matter who you are, a parent, a provider, an athlete, or someone quietly struggling, you deserve to be heard and you deserve to heal. Hey, if you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification for our latest tips coming to you every week. Share this video with your family and friends. It might just make their day a little bit better. I'll see you soon.